Okay, so I'm on the university webpage, and I'm going to go to faculty and staff. I think you can do the same thing from students. And maybe, should I turn this light off? Maybe better? Be able to see better that way? And then if I scroll down here, I see libraries. Now, I'll suggest a couple of things as far as finding articles. One is to go to either find an article or directly to find a database. So those are the two that you want to do. I'm going to go to find a database because I want to look at Academic Search Complete. Of all of the databases, I think that one would be the most helpful. So we're always a couple of steps away from anything here. Academic Search Complete starts with an A, and here it is right here, so I'll connect. Once you get to this field, you can type in your search terms. So what I used earlier was, I started with memoir, yeah, there we go, and truth. And then here you can refine your search. So I want to use only full text articles. I want to retrieve only full text articles. And then everything else we can leave the same. We can change the language. I doubt that we'll find anything in Azerbaijani in this particular topic, but you just never know. I'm not restricting it to scholarly journals, peer-reviewed journals, because I want newspaper articles to come up also, if that's a possibility. Then go down here and hit search. And then I have 303 hits, really more than I need. But you can refine the search again to have fewer hits. You can scroll through here and see what's available. And I'm just going to pick one at random, I think. If not at random, then one that I looked at earlier. So I'm just going to pick this one at random. You click on the title, and then here you see the abstract. So in case it's something that you want to look at, you can save this source, email it to yourself. This is the permanent link. You'll want to keep this somewhere if you decide to use this one. But then to cite it in your paper, you click on this link that says cite. And it gives you that article in APA style. And you can copy, go to your word processing document. And paste it. So you can spend time looking at the APA site and seeing how to do this citation, or you can just let Academic Search Complete do it for you. If you prefer MLA, it gives you that as well. Oops. And then later, after you write your paper, you can format it because it's all supposed to be double spaced. Oops. I have a meeting at 3:30, sorry. And there you go. So Academic Search Complete will do that for you. Notice that in ML8, which I'm more familiar with than the APA, you have to include the date of action. So you have all of the stuff that you have. You have to give credit to the search engine, in this case it's a database, and then provide the date of access. You're not required, you're not even encouraged to include the long URL, because those are timed. See, if you just provided the URL that has the CGI equal sign and a bunch of other characters, and then someone else tried to go to that, they couldn't get to it because that link expires. Also, they would need access to ANN databases. When I looked at the permalink here, it is a long link, but it's permanent. See, it's this link right here. You can copy and paste that for your own use, but it's not very good in the bibliography for someone else, because the first thing that happens when someone clicks on that is they have to log into the A&M Commerce library system using their campus-wide ID and password. So let's say that you want to publish something and you had a link like that in there. Most of your readers aren't going to have access to it if they want to look at it. So instead, you just provide this other information. And then people can do the search on their own because they have enough of the photographic information. Okay, pretty easy.